Sri Lanka is an island nation, surrounded by the ocean, full of marine life. I'm sure you've all visited our coast before and seen its pristine beauty, but have you ever wondered how a leatherback turtle would see our oceans? These turtles travel around the world but come to the Sri Lankan coast to lay their eggs. They have been around since before the dinosaurs became extinct, but now their species is highly threatened. It's not easy for them to survive in the ocean these days, not just because of sharks. The turtles get tangled up in huge fishing nets, and they mistake plastic bags floating in the ocean for jellyfish. The bags get tangled around their bodies, and they suffer a very long, painful death. Many of their young don't even get to see the vast ocean, since humans have started consuming the eggs, and increasing sea levels wash the nests away. The turtles may become extinct this time, unless we change our ways. What can you do to make sure that these marine turtles don't become extinct? Avoid single-use plastics and make sure they don't end up in our oceans. If you see a turtle or its eggs, avoid crowding or getting too close to take pictures. Educate tourists about protecting our oceans and our turtles. Advocate for climate action to prevent ocean pollution. Do you have any more ideas on how to protect our beaches? Do you know what the main ocean pollution issues are around Sri Lanka?